Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Starlink ownership. First, open your Starlink account and go to the Subscriptions tab. Select the subscription you want to transfer service from. Next, click Manage in the Service Plan section and choose Cancel Service. Make sure to take note of the Starlink identifier because you won't be able to see it once the device is removed from your account. After cancelling, go to the Devices section. Find your Starlink unit, click Transfer and confirm the conditions. This action permanently removes the device from your account. You can optionally enter the new owner's email to send them an activation link. If you prefer not to, simply click Close to finish. Once that's done, perform a factory reset on your router. After resetting, make sure to give the complete Starlink kit to the new owner. Finally, share the Starlink identifier with the new owner so they can activate the device. This includes the kit serial number, the Starlink serial number based on hardware type, and the terminal ID found in the Starlink app under Settings Greater than Advanced. And that's it. Following these steps will let you transfer Starlink ownership smoothly and ensure the new owner can activate it without any issues.